Subtraction of vectors. The subtraction of a vector from another is equivalent to the addition of one vector to the negative of the other. For example, q minus p is equals to q plus minus p. Thus, the subtract p vector from q vector, one has to add minus p vector with q vector as shown in the figure 2.16. Therefore, the subtract p from q, reversed p is added to the q vector. For this, first draw AB vector. You can see in the diagram, AB vector is equals to q vector. This one is A, B. Okay, this one is AB, or you can see in the figure in this segment. And then start from the arrow head of q vector, draw BC vector is equals to minus p vector. So you can see again in the figure, BC vector, this one is equals to minus q vector, because initially in this figure we are performing q vector plus p vector. Okay, so the direction of p vector, you can see in this direction, or negative p vector will be in the opposite direction, so we will denote it like this. Clear? So you can see it in this diagram. This one is negative p vector. Clear? And the finally join the head of minus p vector. The vector r vector, that is the resultant, is the sum of q vector and minus p vector. The difference q minus p. So you can see in the diagram, this one. In this diagram, this quantity is equals to r vector, that is resultant vector of q vector plus minus p vector. Clear? Now in second diagram, we have two vectors acting in opposite directions. So first vector AB is equals to P, and second one is CD is equals to Q. So adding these vectors will get the resultant R vector will be equals to P minus Q vector. Okay, and the magnitude of R vector, that means resultant vector, will be less than compared to these vectors, because this one is the difference of two vectors. R vector is the difference of these two vectors. Clear? The resultant of two vectors which are anti-parallel to each other is obtained by subtracting the small vector from the bigger vector, as shown in the figure 2.16 part B. The direction of the resultant vector is in the direction of the bigger vector. So you can see the direction of resultant vector is in the direction of bigger vector, that is p vector.